Hi guys, so today we are going to review the Deco 01V2, which is the XP pen tablet for writing and drawing, in which we can plug this tab, and it comes with this pen, so you can just write on it and it will come in your screen. So I got this for around 5.5k, and let us see the specifications. So as you can see, it has an active area of 10 by 6.25 inch with an 8K pressure sensitivity, and it gives a tilt of 16 degrees, and it's a battery free stylus, connects to USB-C to the laptop and Android. And let us just open it up. So I have removed the cover, and now let us just open it up. So we can see the tab. It's quite big, as you can see. It's 10-inch, and let us keep it aside and see what else is there inside it. So let's check it out. So the first thing is a film, which I think you have to put it on the tab when you are writing on it. Then what do we have here? Here is the pen. Smooth grip, I guess. And here's the needle. Okay, just let me keep it aside for now. And okay, nothing else here. We have the this has the cords, the USB adapters for USB-C and USB 2. I think this is going to be connected to the laptop, and this is for like connecting to Android directly, and I guess this will be the warranty card. And what is this? Okay, this looks like the pen holder. Yes, it is the pen holder. Like, you can put the pen inside, you can keep it like this, and the pen can be kept, I guess, like this. Yeah, kind of like a quill, if you ask me. So now let us go over all the things one by one. So this is, I guess, the connector to the laptop or whichever device you want. It's a USB-C connector. Then this is the adapter, so I guess you can directly plug it to the device, to which you cannot directly put your let us say the directly plug to the mobile and directly connect with the USB-C behind. And they have also provided spare nibs for the pen that can be replaced, I guess. And here we have a gloves. I think this is the finger protector, so that like your hand doesn't keep on rubbing the surface when you are writing on it. And they are also providing the warranty card, the quick start guide, and something about like support document. And yeah, these are all the things that comes with it. And I have finally removed the cover, and this is the surface. So there is a, if you can see, there is a sticker on top of it, so that like, yeah, that is oddly satisfying. Yes, and the texture is quite good. Doesn't feel like paper, but better than a mouse pad, if you ask me. So as you can see, there is this markings provided, and this is the writing area. So if you want your device to detect what you are writing, it has to be written within this particular rectangle. So there are two quick guides. So one is for like Android devices, and I think the other is for like Windows. So now let us just plug it in. So here, this is a USB-C port, and as you can see, here is the port at the left side, and I am just plugging it in. and as you can see, there is a blue light that just blinked, and as you can see, all the edges, this indicator lights at the four corners of the working area, it just gets lighted. Now if you take the pen, so there is no battery in the pen, so if you just take the pen and bring it near it, as the board senses that the pen is in close proximity, as you can see, the blue light will blink. And as if you look at the monitor, I have not yet touched it, but now the cursor is under the control of the pen. Now if I am touching it, then the light lights up, and that will be considered as a click here. And if I am starting to write, see, like it's like I am dragging it. Now let me start writing something. So this is the right click if I am pressing the first key, and this is for eraser. Now I am writing. The only difference between this and directly using a stylus pen on the tab on the laptop screen, which is a touch screen, is that like you have to always keep on looking at the screen to know like what you are writing. And that will get some getting used. As you can see, they have provided this gloves so that like when we are actually writing on the surface, the like if you're constantly writing and your hand is rubbing on it, it might get like some, like it might get warm or painful after like constant writing for a long time. So this will smooth it out. And as you can see that this texture, when you are writing, the surface texture is not exactly much suited or like much texture that we are much used to. So we can just use this additional surface that they have provided. If you just place this, then the surface becomes a much smoother and you get the feeling of writing on the pen. And the good thing is that this is like invertible, like both the sides has different textures which you can actually use. So this is a little more rough surf texture, and this is a much more smoother texture. As you can see that the light activates whenever the pen touches the surface. Now this I think is a nib puller, like if you look properly, there is like some diagram showing how to pull the nib to replace it, and this is like a pen holder, so you can just place the pen on it and it will stand. It's like a pen stand. And so and in the side there is this thing, the arrow marks, which tells like how to open it. So it is showing that to open, rotate it, so you just have to split, rotate it, and it will open up. There is nothing inside it, so maybe you can just put the nibs in it so that the nibs don't get lost. And yeah, so one thing that they are asking is we go to the website and download the driver for this and install it in the laptop, so that you can directly use it with the full facilities. It's like if the driver is not there, it might not work properly with the uh, laptop or whatever PC you are using. Now when we are going to connect this to the, let us say, the Android device, you can directly plug in. So they have provided the adapters. See, as you can see, they have provided the adapters, so you just plug this to the phone and connect this to the other end. So once this is connected to the, then you can directly plug it to the phone and you can use apps like drawing apps or Zoom, and directly use your pen to write even in your Android device.